In this video, we'll see how to make khaman dhokla in a microwave. It is quick, easy and so delicious to eat. Let's get started. I have taken a bigger pack of kids khaman dhokla here, which is easily available in the market. Empty khaman mix into a bowl. I have taken half of the portion as it is perfect for my family. Gradually, add in water and make a thick batter as shown in the video. Add in 4 tablespoons of oil into the mixture and mix it well. Now, in a microwave-safe plastic container, brush a little oil and pour in the khaman batter. Tap a little and microwave it for 5 minutes depending on the power of your microwave. If you feel it is a bit raw, you can microwave it for another 2 to 3 minutes until cooked. Meanwhile, let's prepare tadka. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, few curry leaves, 1 chopped green chili, add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Fry on a medium flame and add in 1/4 glass of water. Add 1 teaspoon sugar and let it boil. Mix well in between. Now pour the tadka over the khaman dhokla as shown in the video and remove it on a plate. Cut it into the desired shape and sprinkle with chopped coriander and freshly grated coconut. Delicious khaman dhokla is ready. Give this recipe a try and enjoy. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe me and click the bell icon. Until next time, goodbye.